Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning and polishing up the front windscreen on the Bimmer. So this is how I do it. You can do it differently, but this is how I do it, and this is how I sort of get the best result. First, as you can see, we got the glass cleaning spray, so we're going to give it a clean first, make sure it's all nice and clean, because then we can polish it out. That was the glass polish, and now we've got a little polisher because it's quick and easy, to be fair. So we'll put it on, and then we'll put it and leave it to dry on the windscreen for a minute, and then we'll just wipe it off, and hopefully it comes out nicely. There we go. So I'll put it onto the windscreen as well, and then we should get good coverage. As you can see, polish has been applied. Leave it to dry for another minute, and then we'll it should be dried off nicely now, as you can see. There you go. We'll wipe it off now. As you can see, guys, it greatly reduced the swirl marks in the front screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.